So, no, how much is it?
I don't know. Guess it's free. Guess it's free. Guess it's free.
So this is 269 pounds. As you can see, this is the next town. So these are the Jordans, but they are not allowing inside. And I don't think I'll be able to film there, but these are the Jordans, entire Jordans. Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Maputo Mallu. Today we are in the Nike town, right in front of me. Before that, let me introduce you my cousin. This is Sino. Hi Sino, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, pretty good Sino. Like we just came, I was sitting in the Sino's house for the whole day now, and I took him over here. So I told like, let's go here, let's not shop, but just see something from here. I'll show you guys. Okay, Leah, excited? Sino, excited?
Yeah.
Yes. So fam, we are in the Oxford Street. This is the Oxford Street, what you see. And right in front of me is the Nike town. As you can see, this is the Nike town. So fam, this is the entrance. We are just getting in. We heard there are a lot of collections. There are a lot of things. Let's see what happens over here. What you get right in front. This is the entire history of the Nike. 71, 77, everything is there. So there you can see how it is made. Everything is right over here. This is the Nike figures 39. We have a lot of things over here. So this is 269 pounds. So this one is 109. All these are trainers. So, no, how much is it?
I don't know. Guess it's free.
There's no
Have a
price.
tag in it.
So if there's no price, it's free.
Yeah, I guess so.
Hi. Hi. What's your name? Sarah. She's cute, Sarah. Cute. Yeah. Do you like this?
Yeah, I like it.
Somewhat liking it, right?
Yes. I like this part.
Hello. Hello. Hi, Nora. Hi. She was just sleeping. She just woke up now. So fam, this is 152 pounds. So fam, these are the Jordans, but they are not allowing inside. And I don't think I'll be able to film there, but these are the Jordans, entire Jordans. A lot of things over here, a lot of collections, but quite expensive. I didn't know that Nike is so expensive back in India. So fam, we are in the third floor, and third floor is exclusively only for women. There's a lot of things over here. As you can see, like it's just women's mannequin over here with entire set of Nike. Sorry. So I don't want to film and get offended here, but I'll show you some things. So if you want to do this, you can take this dress. I don't know what she's trying to do, some yoga asana or something. So Leah is getting into buy something else from the hair. in the women's section. Let's see what she goes for. So fam, as I was saying, you can design your shoe the way you want. It's like choose your product and personalize, design and create. So these are some of the options which people have done in different ways. Finally, after a huge purchase shopping, we are heading back, right? So fam, what you see behind me is the Nike store. It's not Nike store, it's like Nike Temple. So there's a lot of options, there's a lot of things. You can customize your shoes the way you want. We didn't customize anything because we thought we'll come some other time and we'll do something because we don't have much time right now. We have to catch a bus, so we'll come again later. But the place is pretty good. So you get all the Jordans. There's a lot of collections, everything. So if you're willing to buy something, you can come over here in the Oxford Street. It's an amazing place. So see you.